All right, guys. You have now officially gotten through the best friggin' course of your life, hopefully, or you hate me, but hopefully the best course of your life. I hope you guys learned a lot, right? There's some final things that I want to talk about because I think it's cool that you can really get this course for free if you do very simple things, right? The first thing that I want to talk about is participating in the private group. No, this is not going to get you the course for free, but it is going to, allow you to learn things and learn from people in the same exact experience from you. It's incredibly valuable. I've noticed again and again and again, it's proven, there's no doubt at all in my mind whatsoever that the people who participate the most in the private group are wildly more successful than the people who don't, right? And that's just from a business perspective. I know many people from my private group now who are good, if not best friends, who communicate outside of the group, who are literally, visit each other and go on vacations. There's people in the group that started dating. There's people that went to Norway together that met in our private group, right? I can't like talk about it enough how important and how magical and how meaningful and how incredible it is to participate in the private group. We created it for you. It's incredibly meaningful. There's amazing people who are hustling and doing just incredible things. So I cannot recommend that enough. How to get this course for free, right? So we designed a very, very generous, right, industry leading from a generosity perspective affiliate program for this course. And what that means is if you like the course, if you thought it was good material, if you think that it's gonna like help you or it has helped you, start a passive income stream or create, income streams that you didn't otherwise have that allowed you more freedom to spend time with your friends and family and travel the world and do the things that you want, then the best thing you could possibly do is recommend the course to other people. And I'm not saying that in my own benefit, right? The affiliate program is meant to reward you guys for spreading the word about this course. If you liked it, if you thought it was valuable, right? All you have to do to get this course for free is recommend it to 2 friends. Right? If 2 of your friends or colleagues or business people or anyone anywhere, right, if you think that they would be interested in it on your recommendation and they purchase the course through your affiliate link, right, you get the course for free because you get 40% of every sale. So you basically get 100% of what you paid for free. And the same thing goes for them. If they recommend it to 2 friends, they get it for free, right? And if it's going to mean that they have more time to spend with their friends and family and they have the ability to go down this path of financial freedom as well, then you're doing them a favor and you're getting paid and you're getting the course for free and you're getting all of this knowledge. So it's a win, 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 win. And so underneath this video, there's going to be a few things, right? There's going to be 3 different videos that I've done talking about affiliate marketing. If you have 2 friends or 2, ex-colleagues or people that you work with now or family members or whatever it is, right? All you have to do is generate your affiliate link. There's going to be, the first resource is going to be how to sign up for the affiliate program. The second resources are going to be 3 videos that I made on how to affiliate market this course outside of your immediate friends and family and colleagues, like just to anyone, right? Because we have people making thousands and thousands of dollars. There's a person making $15,000 a month affiliate marketing my course, $15,000 profit affiliate marketing my course with YouTube and with Facebook ads. That's it. He makes $15,000 a month just doing that exactly from the information that I teach in those 3 videos. So the first link is going to be the link on how to sign up for the affiliate program. The next 3 links are going to be introductions on how to do affiliate marketing, but I do recommend just using friends and family, or recommending the course to friends and family because if you can help them and you can get paid, it's a win-win for everyone. And then the final thing underneath that, so there's going to be I think there's going to be like 9 links underneath this video, so don't get overwhelmed. But the final thing is going to be the links to our other 2 masterclasses. If you don't know, we have 3 different masterclasses, right? The Amazon FBA Ninja Masterclass, the Shopify Ninja Masterclass, and the Facebook Ads Ninja Masterclass. All 3 are completely independent, have nothing to do with one another, and they're the deepest dive anywhere when it comes to information on these specific topics. We have hundreds of ninjas, hundreds of beautiful, amazing family member ninjas who have joined all 3 courses and are making a freaking killing, just a freaking fortune now. And those are the people who are the most amazing to me, people who just understand the value of investing in yourself and learning and then implementing the stuff and really being free. So there's going to be information on how to join the affiliate program, 3 tutorials on how to actually affiliate market, and then underneath that there's going to be links on how to find out more information about our other 2 programs, and there's going to be a link to just straight up join our program right now with the biggest discount if you know that you are ready to become a VIP Ninja member of all 3 of our masterclasses. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for listening to me. I can't believe, I've been talking this long, but I hope you're not sick of me yet. I'm so appreciative of you. Seriously, you guys freaking changed my life. I can't even thank you enough for being part of our amazing family. You mean the world to me. Please reach out to me in our private group. If you have any questions whatsoever, I'll always be there for you guys. I love you all so much. And until next time, ninjas, I'll see you soon.